So you're thinking about moving to Orange Beach, Alabama. Well, today we are going to walk you through one of our brand new listings. We are in East Orange Beach. We are going to walk you through this really cute New Orleans style home in Orange Beach. This house is 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, 2,218 square feet. We have it listed at $585,000. Spoiler alert, we did put this under contract in 4 days. We put it under contract before we could even get out here to video it for you guys. But I do think it's something that you guys are going to want to check out and take a look to see what your dollar will get you in Orange Beach. There's 2 really unique features to this property that you're going to want to check out. So come take a look with us. Hey guys, if this is your first time to the channel, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe button, and ring the little bell so you can be one of the first ones to learn everything there is to know about the current market conditions in Orange Beach, Gulf Shores, and surrounding areas. My name is Aileen Fountain, along with my partner Andy Hollis and our entire team. We do these videos each and every week just to be informative, just to let you know what it's like to actually live here, vacation here, and own property here. So whether it's 9 days or 90 days from when you're thinking about buying or selling, give us a call, shoot us a text, email us, set up a Zoom. We'd love to meet with you face to face. We get calls, texts, and emails from people just like you every single day, and we absolutely love it. So as I mentioned, we are going to walk through this really cute New Orleans style cottage home in East Orange Beach. Our real estate partner and fellow EXP agent, Stacy Wyatt, has this property listed. She did a great job coordinating with the sellers, getting this house ready to go to the market, getting it priced properly. The sellers did their part and did what she asked them to do to get it ready to list. And boom, just like that, goes under contract in 4 days. So it is a great marketing job by Stacy, and we can't wait for you to come to check it out with us. So come take a look.
Pulled up slow on Tiger Brown Lane. New Orleans charm meets the salt in the waves. Front porch whispers you belong right here.
So we have a nice, cute, covered front porch here with the porch swing. And we're gonna come on in. Got a nice open kitchen, dining, and living room space here. This house was built in 2004. This is a closet here, and you got your hot water heater behind that door.
Welcome home to Paradise Bay, where the pool sings softly and the palm trees wave.
Granite countertops, good sized kitchen, normal pantry there, and then this is more storage, double doors. Definitely used to be a laundry room, but I will show you upstairs where that was relocated. So this just operates as additional storage. Half bath downstairs for convenience. Let's go on upstairs where we're going to find 3 bedrooms and 2 baths. Let's go check out the primary bedroom first. Got a good sized primary bedroom here. Plenty of room for if you wanted to use that space as an extra work area or dressers. The bathroom's got a full jetted tub. as well as a nice, good-sized stand-up shower. Private toilet area. Some nice shelves above that. More storage. So you got a nice big linen closet here. Good size primary closet here. So I got some nice built-ins there. Maximize your space and also be able to organize it. Hardwood floors and that brand new glow. Granite shines and it's saying hello. This house wears comfort like your favorite. And I'm gonna take you out to this extra bonus space right here. This was obviously a porch off of the primary suite, and they enclosed this, made it a beautiful sunroom. They relocated the washer and dryer up here, which from an aesthetic standpoint, I'm not sure I like, but from a convenience factor, I love. I've always said if I ever built another house that I would have a laundry area really close to the primary bedroom. So never seems to be an endless pile of laundry in my house. But yeah, this space could be utilized for other things. I mean, this is clearly a workstation over here. So, you know, if you needed an arts and crafts space, if you needed an at-home office, and then we're gonna go down and check out the bonus area down there. One of the key features to this house is this backyard space, and the pool is not even all of it. Here is the guest bathroom here. And then two identically sized bedrooms. Both have French doors leading out to the front deck. Both have double doors leading into a good sized closet. Welcome home, your story's here, where the sunsets dance and the nights are clear. Saltwater kisses, waterfall tunes, laughter echoes under silver moons. It's not just a house, it's destiny. Forever starts in this orange beach dream. Yeah, forever starts in this orange beach dream. Let's go check out this front porch.
Pulled up slow on Tiger Brown Lane. New Orleans charm meets the salt in the waves. Front porch whispers you belong right here.
Beautiful day here today in Orange Beach, Alabama. Let's go check out my favorite parts of the house, which is the outdoor space.
Where memories begin. A jetted tub waits for nights unwinding slow. Sliding barn doors, peaceful retreat. Laundry dreams where ocean views meet. It's not just walls, it's everything you'll ever need.
All right, this is very rare in Orange Beach to have a beautiful private pool in your backyard in this price point. It is about unheard of. And then they added this gorgeous outdoor kitchen. Got the nice fan, trimmed out the ceiling. Got the fridge cooler, the sink, the ice machine, and then the nice built-in gas grill. Absolutely love this space. And then you got plenty of room over here for your outdoor patio furniture, whether you want it to be dining or lounging. And then we've got one more big bonus feature to this house, and that is this guest quarters that I cannot wait for you to see. This is incredibly unusual find here. So this space could obviously be used as a mother-in-law suite, a guest quarters, a true pool house. It could be your office if you worked from home. Be a ton of write-offs you could take by having this separated from the house if it was a true office. And then it's got its own private full bathroom, the stand-up shower. Hot water heater and a little bit of closet space in there. High ceilings make this feel so spacious and open. Nice tile floor. Great space. Absolutely love this. And so you've got your double French doors. So again, I mean, so many different things you could do with this space. If you wanted this to be a true pool house, if you wanted this to be, you know, the sports room, put a bunch of TVs up, and then open the French doors up when it's beautiful out, which is the majority of the year, and then have this beautiful saltwater gunite pool with a waterfall. Absolutely gorgeous. Outdoor shower there, and the green section of the house is all storage. So you get a lot of extras that come with this house. It's no wonder it went under contract so quickly. Quite a lot of storage space, as you can tell.
You're meant for this orange beach dream. Balcony mornings, coffee in hand, French door.
All right, guys, that is going to just about wrap it up for this walkthrough of this really cute New Orleans style cottage in Orange Beach, Alabama. 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths with this beautiful pool and the pool house I just showed you. Some really, really unique features for Orange Beach, especially in this price point at $585,000. Really challenging to get into Orange Beach and something good under $600,000. So it's no wonder that this one went under contract in 3 days in a slower real estate market. But Orange Beach continues to be a hot place for people to want to own, move to, have a second home, have an investment property, come vacation here. Just a phenomenal area, great city, great town. We're in a great location here in East Orange Beach. You go about a mile down the road and you will hit Bear Point. Bear Point is a huge subdivision in Orange Beach with water access. So really great value here. Orange Beach City School System, can't say enough good things about Orange Beach, Alabama. Hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time, we hope to see you around town.
I get flip-flops and your shades that tip the sand. Where the Gulf breeze blows, it's a wonderland. Orange Beach living, oh, it feels so right. From Sunroom